Alam ko marami na kayong narinig ng mga TikTok tips and tricks from other creators. Pero wait, let me give you some real talks na hindi mo maririnig sa kanila. Lalo na kung nagsisimula ka pa lang dito sa platform na to. Huwag kang mag-alala, dyan din ako galing. Actually, dalawa na yung accounts ko na libo-libo yung followers, kaya alam ko yan. O teka, huwag kang magdrama. Eto na, here we go. No one cares about you. Masakit? Pero wait lang, hear me out. Ganyan talaga. The sad truth is, wala pa silang pakialam sa'yo. No one cares about your life stories or kung paano sumayo yung cut mo. Not unless it brings value. Yes, kailangan mag-provide ka ng value. Education, entertainment, or inspiration. Yun lang. This one is a big one. Ready? You are not shadow banned. Okay, relax. It's just that your content is like a basura to them. No joke, okay lang yun. Diyan din kaya ako galing. Don't worry dahil nasa baby steps pace ka pa kasi. And katulad ng ibang big creator, they exactly started where you are right now. Ganun talaga yun. Tatapatin na kita, posting 3 times a day won't magically make you viral. Yung 3 post mo a day, hindi yun para maka-thousands of followers ha. Ang main purpose nun, kaya you need to post ng mas madalas, ay para masanay yung mga creative muscles nyo. Practice makes perfect nga, di ba? Kapag consistent ka, mas gumagaling ka. And then, boom! More views, more followers. But don't expect na magiging famous ka na agad after 5 days of posting. Walang magic, lalabs. Now, your target audience. If you don't know who you're talking to, para ka lang sumisigaw sa isang kwarto na wala naman nakakarinig. Walang tao. You need to know your audience. Yung age nila, yung gender, yung habits, and what they want in their life. Kahit yung mga paborito nila. For real yan, wag kang tatawa-tawa dyan. Write it down. Makakatulong ito on how will you talk to them sa mga contents mo. Connect with them and make your content way better. Growing on social media is not an overnight success. Kung iniisip mo na after 1 viral video ay yayaman ka na, well, sorry to say hindi yun ganun. You need to commit. You have to be willing to make a content ng tuloy-tuloy for 3 months. Hindi ka pwede mag-give up ka agad. Kasi if you can't commit that long, hindi mo talaga ma-attain or mapupuntahan yung gusto mong success. Ayan, tambay ka pa sa FYP. Na real to katuloy. Pero sana may nakuha kayong tulong and value. Kaya if may questions pa kayo, magkita tayo sa comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And of course, don't forget to follow me para mas marami pa kayong mga tips and tricks na makuha. Syempre, about content creation yan. And hopefully, makita ko din kayo sa live stream. Kaya pag nakita nyo na nagbiblink na ang aking profile, ay pindutin nyo lamang to. Doon po ay naka-live na po ako. So, paano ba yan? Kita-kits!